So today in Cook the Book, I'm going to be making you Paya soup. This is a version that I learned from Baji, Arshad's sister. It's a very simple soup, and it's something that I love making at home because it's very light and yet it's so full of flavor, if you know what I mean. So let's start. We start with a little oil, 1 chili, 1 bay leaf, 8 garlic, 8 pods of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Jeera, okay, a little more than 1 onion. I love it already. It's the Jeera. Now into this goes like a handful of fresh mint. We add some salt, add the Trotters. I'm going to add water and just cook this for an hour. What it needs is to get really soft and come off the bone, and the flavors all need to meld into the water that I put. We're going to shut this, wait for 4 whistles. This is ready. It's been cooking for about an hour. Oh my god, it's still a lot of steam there. Here, look at it. It's just beautiful.